Hi everyone, I will show you how to change Instagram notification sound. First of all, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, then tap the three lines on the top right and go to the setting and privacy. Then tap the notifications and go to the messages. Then scroll down. Now tap the additional option in system setting. Now you need to tap the Instagram direct and you need to tap the sound option. Now you can select the any type of sound which you like and the notification sound will be changed.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.